everyone, so today I did this look right here, a very dramatic, way out of my comfort zone kind of look. I was actually inspired by Kathleenlights. She did a look like this in one of her videos. Hers turned out way better than mine did, but when I saw it, I knew that I really wanted to try and recreate it. I followed the tutorial in her video and this is what happened. It took a whole lot of blending. I was a little scared for a minute that it wasn't going to turn out very well. I almost gave up, but I kept going and this is what happened. I'm actually pretty happy with the turnout. I'll go ahead and link her video down below so that you can see what I was attempting to recreate. If you guys are new, hey, my name is Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you like tutorials. I know this wasn't the best one in the world, but I would greatly appreciate it. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So the first color I'm going into is Shooting Star. I'm taking that on a Morphe M535. I'm going to put that into my crease as my transition color. I'm going in several times just so that I can deepen up this shade. I'm going in with the shade Static. This was about as close as I could get to the Colourpop eyeshadow that she had. For whatever reason, this color is seeming to be pretty patchy, and I don't know why. I haven't used them in a little while, so I may need to replenish my Super Shock shadow stash. I'm taking a Luxie 231 and blending out those edges. And then I'm taking the shade Spark and I'm applying that in my crease, and I'm using a Morphe M433. I feel like this is not going to look anything like how hers looked. This is looking a little crazy. Then I'm going in with Elfish and I'm just going to pat that all over my lids. And then going back into Sweet Dreams and blending Elfish out. I just kept going back in between Elfish and Shooting Star and just kind of blending out those edges. And then she takes Mooney and puts it under her brow bone and her inner corner, so that is what I'm going to do. I have no idea how this is going to come out. I'm a little nervous at this point. I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean up all the fallout underneath my eyes and use it to sharpen up those edges a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and apply my face makeup off of camera and I will be right back. Alright, now I'm going back into Elfish and working on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Elfish and also run that underneath my lower lash line. Now going in with some black eyeliner. I'm going to use this to tightline and use it on my waterline. And now I'm going to use Spark to smoke out the rest of my lower lash line. So she went in with some fake lashes in her video. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to take some Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara and apply that instead. And for lips, I'm going in with the Too Faced Melted Lipstick in Chihuahua. And then I'm going to take this Bareminerals lip gloss in the shade Groovy and just apply that right on top. Alright, and here's a finished look. I feel like it took a whole lot of blending and I think it actually turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. In the middle there, I thought I might not put this video up because I wasn't sure how it was going to look, but I'm actually pretty happy with the way that it turned out. Definitely doesn't look anything like hers. Hers looks so much better than mine, but that's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.